Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be discussing OpenAI's major new cloud infrastructure partnership with Amazon Web Services, examining the details of their massive $38 billion deal, how it impacts OpenAI's relationship with Microsoft, and what this means for the competitive landscape in AI compute infrastructure. OpenAI has just signed a monumental deal with Amazon Web Services worth $38 billion over 7 years. This agreement, announced yesterday morning, will give the ChatGPT maker immediate access to hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs through AWS infrastructure. According to reports from The Verge and Reuters, OpenAI plans to utilize all of this new computing capacity before the end of 2026, with options to expand further into 2027 and beyond. What makes this deal particularly significant is how it reshapes OpenAI's cloud strategy. Until now, Microsoft has enjoyed an exclusive position as OpenAI's cloud provider through Azure. This new AWS partnership effectively ends that exclusivity and removes Microsoft's right of first refusal for OpenAI's computing workloads. The timing is especially noteworthy as it follows directly after OpenAI's corporate restructuring last week. This restructuring seems to have created the conditions for OpenAI to diversify its cloud partnerships beyond its Microsoft relationship. Despite this major shift to AWS, OpenAI isn't abandoning Microsoft. The company is maintaining parallel commitments across multiple cloud providers, reportedly including a $250 billion commitment to Microsoft Azure and approximately $300 billion with Oracle. This multi-cloud approach gives OpenAI unprecedented flexibility and computing resources as it continues to develop and deploy increasingly sophisticated AI models. Why would OpenAI make such a massive investment in cloud infrastructure? The answer lies in the computational requirements of training frontier AI models. Modern large language models require enormous amounts of computing power during their training phases, making access to GPU clusters a critical bottleneck in AI development. By securing hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs through this AWS deal, OpenAI is positioning itself to maintain its competitive edge in developing cutting-edge AI systems. For Amazon, winning this contract represents a major validation of AWS as a competitive platform for the most demanding AI workloads. This comes at a time when GPU supply remains constrained globally, and cloud providers are competing intensely to secure and provide AI-optimized infrastructure. The scale of these commitments is staggering. When we combine the AWS, Microsoft, and Oracle deals, OpenAI appears to be allocating nearly $600 billion toward cloud computing infrastructure over the coming years. This level of investment underscores the company's ambitious growth plans and the capital-intensive nature of frontier AI development. What's particularly interesting about OpenAI's approach is how it's leveraging competition between cloud providers. By maintaining relationships with multiple hyperscalers, OpenAI gains negotiating leverage while reducing dependency on any single vendor. This strategy may provide greater resilience against potential service disruptions while allowing OpenAI to optimize costs and access specialized capabilities across different platforms. Industry analysts have noted that this diversification strategy could become increasingly common among AI companies, seeking to manage the enormous costs and strategic dependencies associated with AI infrastructure. The days of exclusive cloud partnerships may be waning as AI companies seek more flexible arrangements. For AWS, securing this high-profile OpenAI contract represents a significant win in the intensifying battle for AI workloads. While Microsoft has enjoyed close ties with OpenAI through its investment relationship, Amazon has now established itself as a critical infrastructure partner for one of the world's most prominent AI companies. The deal also signals confidence in NVIDIA's GPU architecture as the dominant platform for AI training, with OpenAI continuing to build its infrastructure around these specialized processors. Despite the emergence of alternative AI chips and architectures, NVIDIA's GPUs remain the backbone of large-scale AI development. While specific technical details about which NVIDIA GPU models OpenAI will utilize through AWS haven't been disclosed, this massive procurement suggests OpenAI is preparing for the next generation of even larger and more capable AI models. The scale of compute being acquired points to increasingly ambitious AI projects on the horizon. As AI companies continue to scale their operations and ambitions, we can expect to see more of these massive infrastructure deals that reshape the competitive dynamics between cloud providers and influence the trajectory of AI development. OpenAI's bold multi-cloud strategy may establish a new template for how frontier AI companies approach their computing needs in an increasingly competitive landscape. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.